White coat on, it's a brand new day. Learning the safest, smartest way. Every step with care and pride. Knowledge and compassion, side by side. Clean hands first, prepare with care. Safety always comes first there. Every lesson helps us grow, helping help through what we know. Steady hands, a caring heart, medical science, healing art. Step by step we learn what's right, teaching safely, shining bright. Injection skills explained with care. Health and hope we're here to share. Check the tools, confirm each stage. Learning wisely, page by page. Patient comfort is the key. Respect and professionalism always lead. Knowledge saves and practice grows. With trained guidance, confidence shows. Every tutorial lights the way, building better care every day. Healing hands, a brighter tomorrow. Sharing knowledge, easing sorrow. Learn with care, improve each day. Medical education leads the way.
That is single use only and the 30
teach, together we grow.
like it. 30 minutes like
Helping the
it.
world
Because in this way, professionals use this way to remove the air bubbles and value. Tilt it and now press it. Injection will not spread outside. Okay.
Every step
Cover the lid.
care
Now
and
ready for the
pride.
inject. Cut the
Knowledge
required
and
part of cotton.
compassion,
For the alcohol
side
part,
by side.
I am just teaching you so I don't use alcohol because that can
Clean
be injurious
hands
to your health.
first, prepare
Cut,
with care.
cut.
Safety
cut.
always comes
Cut.
first there.
Now let's use
Every
this part.
lesson
Okay, let me.
helps us
Is this
grow,
right part? No. Is it right
helping
part?
health
Part?
through
No. Is it right part? No. Is it right part?
what
Yes. So we'll inject here and like this.
Steady
Place cotton.
hands, a caring
Place the
heart,
cotton.
medical
So bye bye.
science, healing art. Step by